The White House is trying to block billions of dollars for coronavirus testing and contact tracing in the upcoming stimulus relief bill, according to a new report in The Washington Post, even as infections surge across the country and Americans face long wait times to receive test results amid high demand. The Trump administration also wants to block billions of dollars that would go toward bolstering the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, the Pentagon and the State Department to combat the pandemic, the Post reported Saturday, citing people familiar with the deliberations. The White House declined CNBC's request for comment. Some GOP lawmakers, anchored by the administration's position, are pushing back and trying to keep the $25 billion for testing and tracing in the bill, people involved in the negotiations told the Post. Some White House officials reportedly believe new money shouldn't be allocated for testing because previous assistance funds remain unspent. While moving to block testing assistance, the Trump administration is trying to use the legislation to fund priorities unrelated to the pandemic, such as a new FBI building, according to the Post. The Post report comes just hours after a piece in the New York Times detailed how the White House sought to shift responsibility for dealing with the pandemic to the state governments with disastrous results. The Times report was based on interviews with state and administration officials as well as emails and documents. President Trump has publicly called coronavirus testing a double-edged sword, and even suggested at a campaign rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma that officials should slow testing down. White House officials later said Trump was joking. However, the Times report portrayed a president who feels boxed in by testing because cases counts inevitably increase as more people are tested, jeopardizing the reopening of the economy and potentially damaging his re-election chances. Senator Majority Leader Mitch McConnell is expected to unveil a coronavirus relief plan this coming week when the Senate returns from its two-week 4th of July recess. The Republican last week said that kids in school, jobs and health care are likely to be the focus of the bill. Leaders in the Democratic-held House and GOP-controlled Senate acknowledged earlier this month that they need to approve more aid to combat the deadly disease's spread while supporting the economy and educating students. The White House deliberations come as the number of confirmed coronavirus cases continues to spike nationally. Dozens of states encountered resurgences after reopening their economies. Only 9 U.S. states have the virus under control and just 3 are on track to contain COVID-19, according to the tracking project COVID Act Now.